Hi, I'm Monica D. Higgins with Don'tRemodelWithoutUs.com. I'm here at Thomas Craven Wood Finishers in Van Nuys, California, and today I'm going to show you how to change your kitchen cabinet knobs. Replacing kitchen cabinet knobs is a great way to update the look of your kitchen without having to replace your cabinets or reface them. Now, if you have old-fashioned knobs and you want to update them, all you need to do is remove your existing knob and replace it with a new one. So to remove your existing knob, all you need to do is remove the knob from the front of the cabinet, like so. And if it's not this easy, all you need to do is take your screwdriver, put it in reverse, and reverse screw out your screw to take it out. Here's an example of something a little bit more updated for this cabinet. And all we're going to do is reattach it by screwing it back in. And voila! I'm Monica D. Higgins with Don'tRemodelWithoutUs.com, and I just showed you how to change your kitchen cabinet knobs.